Now, another great aspect of being a partner with us with dotFIT is we want to be your fitness Google, if you don't mind me saying. We've got over 40 years of experience dealing with anything you can imagine within the fitness realm, and we want to be able to share that information with you. But again, information that is not somebody's just opinion, but proven information. So here's the library of info you have at your fingertips. Two things I want to share with you. First, let's go ahead and click Learn at the very top of our summary overview, and you will see here a whole bunch of different tiles with things such as recipes, frequently asked questions, articles, countless different types of tips to help you with your fitness journey so you can dig deeper as you want. Frankie, let's scroll up here for a moment if you would, and let's click on recipes in our top left-hand corner. Just to give you an example on how many of our members and fitness professionals have used some of the different dotFIT products. Let's click on shakes as an example to make something that they said, you know what, this tastes like $1,000,000 with things that they can add to it. Why don't we click on Lean MR, since that was the one we mentioned a little bit before that's so great with weight loss. And here you'll see things like the dotFIT Vanilla Frappe. Let's click on the Blueberry Pear Banana Shake with Lean MR. Sounds phenomenal. It's the second one here. And again, you'll see all the information listed for you on how to be able to maximize the dotFIT Lean MR with a few things added if you wanted to taste great. Now, our second option is this. If we scroll to the very top, notice Ask the Experts. Go ahead and let's click on that, Frankie, so we can show our audience. And what you're going to see here is this. If we scroll down a little bit, since this is my program using for this tutorial, my name and email address just came up automatically, as yours would as well. All we have to do is go ahead and post what our question is, click, of course, that you're not a robot, and then click, let's go down just a little bit further, and we'll click Send Question, and you are guaranteed to get an answer back within 24 to 48 hours. And this could be about anything that has to do with fitness itself. So we are here for you.